Hello, my name is Stanley Ogagbe and welcome to today's commentary on what is trending in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. One Abdulrasheed Abimbola Oladayo, who is an SC to the executive chairman of Coca Aguda, local council development area in Lagos, has been trending for the wrong reasons. You heard that right. He has been trending on X, formerly known as Twitter, for the wrong reasons. And what did he do? He made a post saying that for as many that are doing their PVC registration in the Southwest, if they don't have the interest of voting the people of the land, talking about Tinubu, talking about APC leaders, APC politicians, and what have you, if you are not interested in voting these people when you are registering in such places, that is Yoruba land, you should be ready for the war that is coming ahead of you. He was clear, making inflammatory threats to those who are registering in the region without, wanting to vote people who are also from the region. And he was also clear in making reference to the fact that if you are such a person and you have plans to vote for the likes of Peter Obi in 2027, you should be ready for war. And I ask myself, is this what Nigeria has turned into because of politics? How do we get to this level of bigotry that people who don't even matter in the scheme of things make such inflammatory statements on a public platform like us, threatening people, threatening Nigerians in their own land that they must not vote other candidates in Yoruba land if they want to see the next day as far as 2027 election is concerned. And now, this is an eye-opener and, of course, a call to the security. Because, of course, in 2023, we saw such things happen. But what did we get? The police rather made case for the likes of MC Oluomo, who, of course, threatened people. And now we are having this. And we have seen such in the past. The question now is, does it mean that this nation belongs to some people? Does it mean that as a Nigerian, you no longer have the right to vote whoever you want in any part of the world? Or has Yoruba land become a place that only Yoruba candidates can be voted for? And now, these are many more questions that the police should answer. And of course, if we were serious people, I want to believe that by now, that young man, or perhaps, I don't know how old he is, should be answering questions to the Nigerian police and, of course, other relevant authorities. But perhaps, like some people will say, because he is a member of the government of the day, perhaps nothing will be done. But it is rather sad. And I hope that something will be done so that people who are registering and those who already have their PVC will not be denied their franchise in 2027. And now this is a call to the Tinubu-led government. Sir, Mr. President, let us get it right. Let us get it right. And such people should be made to dance to the tune of the law. See you next time next week. This is the News Chronicle, and I urge you to follow us on all our platforms. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.